I'm going to show you how to replace the thermopile in this Williams gas-fired wall heater. And here's a close-up of the controls so you can see what it looks like. After about 20 to 25 years, the thermopile just does not generate enough electricity to allow you to use your thermostat. Fortunately, it only takes about 20 minutes and you can replace it. You can save yourself a lot of money. I'm going to show you how to do that right now. So of course, you need to remove the cover of the heater, and now you have access to all the controls where you can see the thermopile is located. The first thing that I do is remove the screw on the left side that's holding the entire mechanism that holds the thermopile and the pilot. Then I move on to removing the front screw that holds the clip that secures the thermopile in place. Once those two screws are removed, then you can easily access the thermopile and remove the clip that's holding the thermopile in place. Now I attempted to remove the thermopile just with my hand, like pulling on it and twisting it, but it was too tight. So I actually had to get a pair of pliers and repeatedly go back and forth until it loosened up, and then finally I was able to remove it. Now with a standard screwdriver, you just remove the two screws that are holding the red and white wires onto the control mechanism. It comes off easily, and you're ready to install the new one. Unfortunately, the new one did not fit as tight as the old one, so when I push it up, it would fall right out. So you have to use that clip that's on the original mechanism. Not a big deal. I did take a pair of pliers and squeeze the clip just to make sure it was holding it in really nice and tight. If you find this video helpful, please press the subscribe button. Thank you. I then secured the screws that hold the red and white wires onto the mechanism. Now you'll see the red wire also connects to a yellow wire. It's critical that all those screws and the connections are tight, otherwise the heater will not work. Now I'm going to do my final test. I'm going to head on over to the thermostat, turn it to the on position until I hit a little click. And then I'm going to head back over to the gas wall heater, which actually I can hear it burning now, so it's a good sign. And I'm going to go do a visual check to make sure the flame is on. Yes, it is. Awesome. It worked. Save myself a bundle of cash.